Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Commonwealth Bank application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you're on iOS, then open up the iOS App Store, and if you're on Android, then open up the Google Play Store. Now simply tap on the search box and then type in Commonwealth Bank. Once you find the application, you can simply tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the app. Just wait for a while until the download and installation is complete, and when you see the open button, you can just tap on it to open up the CommBank app. Now you can scroll through the welcome screen or tap on the log on button to log into your account or sign up to your account and continue from there. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Commonwealth Bank application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell and you will never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.